Alright, I have this Toro lawnmower. There's the model and serial number. Anyway, the carburetor needs to be cleaned on this. I used it last year, and it's really hard to start. You pretty much have to use quick start every time, and that gets annoying. And when you run it on idle, on slow, it bogs all over the place. And that was last summer, and it's been stored all last winter with gas in it. So now it's been through a winter and a whole summer and hasn't been used since last summer. So this gas has been in here for probably almost 2 years now. So I'm gonna have to clean this up a little bit and get it running good. The oil's halfway up the safe line, so it's fine. The underside needs to be cleaned up a bit. It's full of grass. We'll do that outside. And that's about it. I fixed this throttle here. This was really stiff at first, so I kept on putting WD-40 on here and kept on sliding it. So now it slides good. Use the stick and the little transmission thing here. I tried putting some down there, but it's not any easier. Probably something to do with inside the transmission. But I think that's it. I might also clean up the engine block. There's a little bit of oil over here. There's oil all over here, which means normally there's oil leaking from the spot here. There's supposed to be a little O-ring in here. I wonder if that's gone bad. I'm not really worried about that right now. I just have to get it running. Here's the whole gas tank. It's quite large, actually. All this. So I think I'm going to take this off and clean out the gas tank because it looks like there's some stuff in here. Right now I've got the air filter. It's been soaking for 2 days, so I can take it out now. It's been soaking in soapy water, dish soap. So I'm going to dry this off and clean it up a little bit. I'll put the air filter back in here and attempt to start it outside. When I used to press the primer, even that didn't get started, so it's probably old gas at that time. Alright, I'll try to start it with the gas that's already in it. Couple primes, 4. It doesn't look like I'm even going to get it started. I don't think the primer's even filling up with gas. Looks like I'll have to try to use some quick start. I don't have any quick start, so I'm just going to be using gas. Alright, let's try it again. You'll notice there's exhaust coming out of where the carburetor goes, or the little hole is. I don't know if you saw it or not. I'll put it closer. Won't start unless you quick start. Yeah, it just stalled because I took it off full throttle, put it like half, and then it stalled. As you can see, it won't want to run good at idle at all. So it takes a quick start to start it every time when it's cold. So let's try it when it's warm. It's been running for like 5 minutes. You gotta pull it really fast in order to get it to start. pull faster than that. That's how fast it should be able to pull. It should start at this. They got to pull really, really fast. Faster than that. And it backfires out of the carburetor a lot. The air filter where that is, so it's just completely black from carbon. So, dirty carburetor will do that too. Burning something off when it gets hot.